What's up guys, I've been Alexa here and again I'm back with a YouTube video, and in today's video actually I'm going to be doing a review of Grammarly. And as you can see here, Grammarly free online writing assistant, it has helped me a lot. I have a website, but it has helped me to move from zero visitors a day to something like 100 to 200, or it can even go up to 500 to 600 visitors a day stuff. But anyways, Grammarly has helped me a lot, so it can help you too on that. Maybe you want to write a letter, maybe you want to write anything, maybe you have a coursework you want to do, anything. Trust me, this will help you, as it has helped me a lot. And as you can see, before we go onto their website, I just want to show you how Grammarly works, and after that, um, I'll show you how you can register. And actually, with their free version, that's what I've been using the whole time, and it is really great. It has helped me also. I'm looking forward to upgrade. But anyways, let me first show you here my website. So this is where I'm at. And actually this is my website now. As you can see, this is Alvin Alexa, and actually I started getting comments now just because of using Grammarly, and people are loving it. And actually, as you can see, people are like thanking me, please. And anyways, just want to show you the post here. Let's see. Want to show you the posts. Okay, thank you. Sorry. But anyways, these are my recent posts. As you can see, they are getting 400 views, 300. It's not that much, but anyways, to me it means a lot. It means a lot. It means a lot. But anyways, these were my first articles, and these have got attention because of the other articles that are getting attention, like this one. This one has been getting a lot of views. I don't know how to protect your Gmail account, iCloud, or Yahoo account. Anyway, this was got a lot of attention, and it has promoted almost most of my blog posts. But and as you can see, this is an article that I've decided to show you. So this is the article that I wrote some time back. It has got some 25. But anyways, it has got so many grammar errors, and as you can see here, show you Jumia. They require spacing, and as you can see, that's got Jumia. They like the punctuations is not correct. Like, yeah. And I also know that I've got some spelling mistakes in this article. I don't know if I'm sounding so punctual. That's very quiet. But anyways, as you can see here, show you actually, I'm gonna try and correct the mistakes. And what I've got to find out why using this app is that actually, as you can see, they are showing me like mistakes, and it is showing me that 32 issues were found in this article, and the spelling. And as you can see, the problem is that when I scroll this side, it just shows me that no critical issues found. So this is the issue with their app. That is the problem now. Their app, when you click to scan the text, it actually, when you click to scan the text, maybe, as you can see, I've just clicked the give green button, it will show you mistakes. And actually, when you try to scroll to see what mistakes that you are like having, um, you see, it will just show you that no critical issues were found. So that is the first annoying thing. I guess this is issue is with the free version, but I haven't tried the premium. But I'm gonna try and scan again and show you. So this is what they are saying, and showing me that 32 issues were found in this article, and I can try and correct them. And as you can see, it is showing me add a comma, and I forgot to space why when I added a comma I forgot to space, then I correct that. And actually, what is it is supposed, why is it showing me this? But this is the issue with their app. I don't know if I'm the only one who's getting this problem, but this is the issue with their app. And as you can see, they're showing me, and that is the only thing that is showing me to add. That is the problem with their app. And as you can see, you can collect before. That is the problem with their app. The problem that I've got using Grammarly app. I have it in my keyboard, so this is their keyboard that I'm using, but their app isn't helping me anyhow. The app isn't helping me anyhow. It isn't that effective, but actually when you go to their website and install the plugin is way much more better than the app. That's what I got to find, that you get so many recommendations, like the things that you have to change in order to be more like accurate in your writing. But their app isn't that helping me actually. But when I go to other articles, maybe it gives you like 5 to 6 recommendations that you can change, and actually after that it shows you that your punctual, but in actual sense that you in actual sense when you look into this, it still has some errors. We found out that when you're using their app, it's better you just type stuff when in their app. Like as you can see, this is their app, and as you can see it's showing new documents. You just click to add new document and you write, in case you want to write a letter, in case you want to write maybe an article like me, in case you want to write stuff up. It's better you write them here before you like publish them, or before you send them to that important. Maybe you wanna write a letter to for applying for a job. It's better you write it in here, and actually they will show you your mistakes. Let me show you. This is an article I wrote some time back in their app, but their app isn't gonna help you when you're typing stuff online unless you're typing them in their app. And as you can see here, it is showing me, I think I've collected most of the mistakes in this article, but let me show you in their demo document. It's actually way more better to use this. That's what I got to find out. It is loading, and in their demo document, as you can see here, they'll show you the mistakes, and as you can see the word misspellings. You can collect that, you can collect that, you can collect that. It's way more nice easy here. You forgot some commas. As you can see, they're showing you words here, and you can actually do collections like in their app. It's way more much easier than if you're typing, like maybe typing an article online is really so difficult when you're using a mobile device. Like to detect some errors. I don't know if I'm the only one getting this, but I don't know if it's with the free version of Grammarly. But anyways, I'm gonna try and upgrade to premium. Then I'll do a review of it also. Um, yep, and see here. I see another stuff. If you wanna like download them, I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you wanna download the iOS version of it. If you wanna download the Android version of it, and also a plugin. So this is their plugin. Their free version is good, but it's better on PC and on iPads, I haven't found it more effective. Um, yep, that's the problem. It's showing me here, but I think it doesn't fix a lot of stuff online. That's my only problem. That's my only problem. In case you're typing maybe something which is really long, text which is long, it doesn't like do it as it is supposed to do. Unless you're on the PC, that's what I've got to find out. Okay, if you want to download the app, I advise you to check out the description. And if you found this review more informative, please make sure to drop a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video in the comments again. Thank you guys. Bye bye.